In this short demo, I will show you how Vitria's VIA AIOps can be used to correlate and diagnose transport network bottlenecks to virtual router resource limitations and end-user experience issues on the radio access network devices. Even with more modern tools, it can be very difficult to correlate radio access network, transport network, and application layer issues together because the nodes are separated by multiple hops or across different domains. Manual diagnosis of these types of issues requires coordination across radio access network, transport, SRE, and NOC teams, leading to long MTTR and recurring user experience complaints. The first step in tackling this problem is to integrate all the necessary data. And in this example, we will focus on radio access and transport network device telemetry data and Kubernetes layer application performance data. Leveraging a combination of CMDB enrichment data and auto-discover topology, VIA's knowledge plane understands the topological relationships between nodes, a key success factor in implementing this use case. In the VIA AIOps Incident Action Center, we can see an example of an incident where all the causes and effects of the problem have been correlated into a single incident. The first thing we notice is that the incident has been automatically classified as a virtual router resource exhaustion problem, so the fix agent knows immediately what the issue is. Drilling into the details of the incident, we can see that the aggregation router is reporting high link utilization and packet loss on a specific interface, our first indication of a transport network bottleneck. We then have multiple cell sectors reporting intermittent poor user throughput, an indication that users in these locations are experiencing poor connection speeds, a major concern for the care and network operations centers. Finally, we can see that the forwarding engine container responsible for forwarding packets to upstream nodes is reporting high memory utilization, which is indicative of a resource bottleneck. Knowledge-augmented analysis, or generative AI incident summary using the correlated incident, generative AI and the structured knowledge in the self-evolving knowledge plane, including historical context, is then leveraged to analyze the incident and provide affected nodes and links, including highlighting those that are causal, the symptoms and root cause of the problem, and the likely remediation for the problem. With this analysis, we are able to trigger an automated action which could include further diagnosis, bringing a human into the loop through a notification, triggering a remedial action, or generating a recommendation. The benefits of the Vitria approach include 1. Precise, rapid root cause identification. Instead of 20+ tickets, the Network Operations Center receives one correlated incident containing all relevant information to resolve the problem. 2. Eliminates cross-team escalation cycles. The radio team no longer needs to chase phantom radio issues. Instead, the transport team receive a clear root cause trigger. 3. Major MTTR reduction. Transport congestion issues that previously took hours or days to detect are now diagnosed in minutes. 4. The problem is resolved before customers start complaining, which helps improve customer experience.